Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you work outside in construction or any other type of activity that requires really strong and durable boots, then you are going to love this pair from ROCKROOSTER. My husband is a contractor and he spends a ton of time on roofs. So the soles on these are amazing. They're Vibram traction lugs. He really feels that these lugs help to give him more grip when he's on roofs. Other things that my husband liked about them are the composite toes. This is great because my husband is a little bit accident prone and dropping things all the time. So if he does happen to drop something on his foot, it's not going to injure it. They also have a HydroGuard waterproof membrane, which is awesome. We get a ton of rain. He's always out tromping around in puddles. And this is so nice to be able to keep his feet warm and dry. And just check out the high quality materials that they're made from. Not only does it have anti-cut Kevlar, but it also has crazy horse leather that you can tell is really quality. It's oiled up. And again, these are waterproof. My husband also has weak ankles. So these are high top. They're 8 inches. They cinch up really nice and secure, but without being uncomfortable. My husband wears a size 10.5 wide. That's the size that we got him. And they fit him just like Cinderella's slippers. These boots are, in a word, amazing. Get yourself a pair and you will not be disappointed. That's my point of view.